Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Track Use. Today we're back at Toronto Motorsports Park. It's my second time at this track. The first time I came here it was for the shakedown that we had. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check that out later. And that time I did a 126 something here. Today's goal is going to be to get a little faster than that. It's a beautiful day, nice, sunny, not too hot, not too cold. Let's see how it goes. First impressions, the car is actually all over the place. I don't know why. The last time we were here we had zero toe all around. Today we have a little bit of toe in the rear, which should make it feel a little more stable, but it actually doesn't. But I don't think it's the car's fault. I think the track overall is just a little bit slippery today. Does get better though. Does get better. Once you build some heat into the tires, it does feel a little bit better. Alright, okay. Second session. Let's see how it goes. last session of today. 125.2, I'll take that. But I just wanted to see if we can touch 24. Alright, 126.2 with traffic. Let's go. It's the end of another track day. It was a really fun one, really productive. I was able to shave 2 seconds off of my PB here. The last time I was here, which was also my first time at this track, I had 126.7, and today I was able to get 124.8, which is pretty good. Still not a crazy fast time, but I'm happy with the progress. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.